بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Life is better when you focus on Allah's blessings. Ya Allah, give me eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith. Ameen. Alhamdulillah for guiding us to Islam. If Allah helps you, no one can defeat you. If Allah is making you wait, then be prepared to receive more than what you asked for. Allah will make everything beautiful at the right place, at the right time, for the best reason. Always have faith in Allah. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him speak good, or else keep silent. Allah said, "Fear not, indeed I am with you both. I hear and I see. You are never alone. And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me." Oh Allah, I need your guidance in every step of my life. Be satisfied with the uncountable blessings you have, and always say Alhamdulillah. Saying Alhamdulillah with 1,000 pains in the chest is an example of your deep faith in Allah. Alhamdulillah for everything in this life. Only Allah knows pain behind every smile. Grateful for another blessed day. May Allah easy everything. Sometimes talking to Allah is all you need. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel.